The Mars Icehouse, living on the red planet. The Mars Icehouse is an innovative architectural concept designed to address the challenges of life on Mars. Developed by Search Plus and Cloud's Architecture Office for NASA's 3D Printed Habitat Challenge, this design stands out by utilizing Mars's abundant resource water. Instead of traditional metal or concrete, the Mars Icehouse proposes constructing translucent 3D printed structures made of ice, forming protective domes for human habitation. Ice not only provides an effective shield from harmful solar and cosmic radiation, but it also offers a lightweight structure compatible with Mars's low gravity. This concept represents a major leap in sustainable extraterrestrial design. Inside the icehouse, the environment is designed to sustain astronauts. The ice walls act as radiation barriers and allow natural sunlight to diffuse into the habitat, creating a soft glow that helps regulate circadian rhythms and supports mental well-being. The interior spaces are carefully designed with essential living areas, workspaces, and even areas for growing food, allowing semi-autonomous living. The design also includes recreational zones, creating a sense of comfort in a harsh environment. The habitat would be constructed using robotic systems that harvest water from Mars's subsurface, convert it into ice, and 3D print the structure layer by layer. This process, known as in situ resource utilization, minimizes reliance on costly Earth-supplied materials, making the Mars Icehouse more sustainable. Its modular structure allows for expansion as more astronauts arrive on Mars, potentially forming larger colonies. Adaptable and scalable, it could be rapidly deployed to support long-term Martian habitation. This project reflects a shift in how we approach space architecture. By embracing the unique challenges of Mars and leveraging local resources, the Mars Icehouse could serve as a model for future space habitats, representing both human ingenuity and our ambition to thrive beyond Earth.